It's your main finance dude here, and today we're diving deep into why PepsiCo ticker. Pep is the titan you need in your investment lineup. We're talking about a brand that's way more than just Pepsi. Think Gatorade, Doritos, and even your Gatorades. These aren't just snacks and drinks, they're a lifestyle. The lowdown on PepsiCo. PepsiCo isn't just a player, it's a powerhouse dominating the snack and beverage game. From grocery aisles to vending machines, their products are literally everywhere. And we're not just talking about omnipresence here. Their financial game is just as strong. Dividend kings, yup, they've been reigning supreme with dividend increases for over 50 years. That's consistency you can bank on, but here's the scoop. Their stock took a 17% hit from its peak. For the quick thinkers among us, that smells like opportunity. Is it the right time to buy? I'm laying it all out for you right here. PepsiCo's empire. This isn't just about selling soda. PepsiCo's portfolio is vast, with tentacles in every snackable and quaffable corner of the market. Frito-Lay, yeah, those chips are theirs, and they're not just any chips. They're the chips that practically own the North American market. We're talking massive profit margins and a stronghold in snacks that's hard to beat. Innovation is the name of the game, and PepsiCo plays it like a pro. They're constantly rolling out new products and smashing into new markets. Like Gatorade moving into protein shakes and bars, that's how you stay ahead in the fast lane, folks. The financial fit, trading at about $160.60 per share with a dividend yield of 3.11%. PepsiCo isn't just sitting pretty, it's paying you to hold its shares. Despite the world going haywire with inflation, these guys have been smart about price hikes, protecting those precious margins. But let's break it down. Is now the time to get in on this? With solid dividends and strategic moves that keep them at the top of the food chain, PepsiCo could be your portfolio powerhouse. So there you have it, my investment-savvy friends. PepsiCo isn't just another stock, it's a cornerstone for growth and stability. Make sure you do your own research, but keep this titan on your radar. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic stock breakdowns, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay smart, invest wisely, and I'll catch you in the next one.